Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi on ZTE PAD 5G. So first go into the quick settings, click and hold on to Wi-Fi, disable it and enable once again. Then click the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi, click disconnect and then forget. Then try to type in the password once again. Scroll from the top 2 times, enable airplane mode and then disable it. And if it's still not working, then try to restart your tablet and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.